Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Rocket.net, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the IP logs to your website in Rocket.net? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the IP logs to your website that's hosted with Rocket.net anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes spam is a problem. So sometimes you want to see what the IP log is. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see the IP log for one of your websites, here on the left side, click on Sites. Once you do that, you're going to see all the websites you have with Rocket.net. You can see I just have this one. And in order to see the IP log for that website, off to the right, click on Manage. It's in blue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of these icons, but you want to click right here, Logs. It looks like a little piece of paper. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on Access Log. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the various IPs that have been logged for your website right here. Okay, so as you can see, it's only going to show the most recent 10 results, or 10 per page. So you want to open this up, click on 500. All right, once you click on 500, you can see it's going to open up. And then also up here on the top right, click on last 1 hour and then open it up to maybe last 7 days. Okay, now you can see it opens it up and it shows a lot more IPs that have been logged on your website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the IP log for your website in Rocket.net, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.